Hi guys, this is now a new view of the house. We did a very great transformation in something on our in front of the house. So enjoy the rest of the video, guys. So, good morning, guys. Today we're gonna visit our big pen. I just finished giving them lunch and shower. So today I did quite a bit in the garden. We did, and we're gonna show you later in the video. But today I'm having papaya. I just had my lunch as well. Today I will share you what I do. So all the mama now are obviously resting. Look, and I hear our mama Donna here feeding the babies. She just feed it earlier. Oh, very good, Mama Donna. 9 healthy piglets. So it's done. So guys, the weather today is so hot. So what I do, the pigs needs to be cooled down. So I have the water hose here, just constantly running for them to cool down. This is our 93 days old fatteners. So the older they grow, I guess the hotter they get. It's very hot, guys. You will know. Without the water, they will be like breathing so fast by this time. It's very hot. It feels like 42 degrees here at the moment. And almost 2 weeks old from weaning. And the rest of the mama here are resting. I'm gonna show you. This is a part of my life, guys, every day. This is our mama. Unfortunately, this Mama Clara have to go because we already mated this one 3 times and it didn't get pregnant. My brother Noel's fattener. And look, it's actually starting to have a shade. And this mango tree actually helps a lot, giving a shade in this area. This one is cool. But right there is hot. Because the jackfruit tree there has died. But here it's just fine. We have a constant shade. Unfortunately, over here, even though if it has a shade, it's just the fattener's body itself. That's our, getting hot. Mama Jonah is resting. I mean, Daddy Jonah. So, try. Because this area have a very good shade. And it's very cool. I'm taking a video, guys. Okay. Oh, look. But I need a bigger hammock. But it's nice. And the seller of this hammock cheated on me because on the picture it looks very big. But then when it arrives, it's small. Look at that. I can't even barely fit in here. But on the picture, I saw the person inside of this one. Couldn't even see. But, I can say this is fake. I hope it will not let me fall. But
it's a very thorny bush.
yeah. Pull it now. Ow!
Very thorny.
They are. Especially this one is a native one. This is not a crossbreed. Hybrid. It's hard to pull them, guys, if they're tangled with a rope. Oh, happen there.
Snag on the other side.
You have to put it here. Ah, It also grow in the, it's also buried in the kuan.
Is it?
Oh. Okay. Okay. Now we can pull. Good morning, guys. Today I woke up feeling okay, so I started working, and well, after the morning coffee I started working in the garden, just watering them. I'm almost done, guys. I'm just finishing this last section of orchids. The orchids are growing good in their new home. Plus, it's not that hot here. I have the screen. I have the sunscreen, so I'm hoping. Oh, sorry, little bee. I'm hoping they will grow more nice over here. I'll show you how fast the ornaments are growing here. They are normally on the pots, guys, but then I decided to just plant them on the ground. See how they bloom. One last look of the flowers of the orchids. So I have orchids here and I have orchids on the other area, guys. I planted them on the trunk of an ornament tree as well. It's overgrown. See the garden. I don't have much time. I have this bougainvillea again. I am letting him grow. I am letting her grow very big, and then I will tie it on the rooftop. So we will have flowers on the rooftop. The sunflowers are dying, guys. Look. After they bloom, they just died. Like, I don't know. Some old folks says if you're pregnant and you are walking under the plants or in the garden area, your plants will die. So look, the sunflowers are dying now. And I noticed because of the rain, look, they started to grow. So I started putting most of them in the raised bed. Oh, this one is not. So I think I can keep this. It's already dry. Oh, I think we can do that later. But most of them are growing. Oh, this one starts to grow. Oh. So anyway, my fern here is doing nice. It has a new leaf over there. And that tree is giving a little bit of shade in here where I'm standing. So I have a lot of things to do, guys. I know you're not allowing me to do stuff, but look, my Madre de Agua over here. This is the food for the pigs. They are mostly covered by this aratilis tree. That one, aratilis tree, is the post I used to hold the dragon fruit in this area, and then they grow. They just grow, so I have to cut them. Probably later. Today I have a very important and priority job, which is trimming. I have to trim the bougainvillea in front of the house because it's like a jungle na. And it does not allow to look, guys. Oh, here's my orchids. The orchids that's being planted on the live tree is doing better than the ones in there. Look, these are all orchids, and this is starting to give flowers. Actually, most of them. I just planted this one like 6 months ago. Look, it's beautiful. So they are growing better in the live tree. Look how the roots are clinging to the trunk of the tree very strongly. And here, and everyone, I think, are going to give flowers. Look, and this is starting to bloom also. Look, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful orchids. This one is a very good smell tree, flower tree. And unfortunately, it's a tree, so it will gonna, I wanted it to grow taller, but then the bougainvillea is covering it, so I think I have to trim most of it. Look, I haven't been paying much attention to my garden, guys, to our garden, the entire 4 months ago, because you know na. So they are covering hot chili over here. They just grow everywhere, covering the plants underneath. It's died. I mean, no, I think it's not dying. Caterpillars are eating the leaves, so but it needs sunlight. Look, I need to trim all of that. Look at the bougainvillea here. It actually gives shade in front of the house, but unfortunately, it's also killing slowly, not letting other plants underneath it to grow, and it's burden every time we pass here. So I'm going to get the saw so I can do. We have been planning this for many days and we haven't got it done. Look, I think I can only pay attention to this flower pots after I gave birth. They're all like, most of them are ready to transplant and clear a little bit because it's just it's full. I have a lot of things to do, guys. The onions that I planted, now it's all weeds. See, hard for them to grow because they're just all weeds. Unfortunately, it's hot here at this time, so I can't do them. I'll do them later. The sunflower here is dying, and our giant pepper, I don't know if they will survive. They have lots of ants. But my sweet potato tops is doing good. And I'm planting the seeds, guys, of the sunflower. So I will have a new batch of sunflower. Look, they're the ones that I pick. And they already grow. The seeds already starts growing, even it's still in its trunk. But it's growing now. So hopefully I will have lots of seeds still. And here I put some as well. And since our hybrid tomato didn't go well, even the pepper, the giant pepper, is not doing well as well. But this one I was trying to save, but most of them died. Look, so I have to take this one. So we're not successful with our raised beds using the hybrid seeds. It was an import seeds, guys, so we will try to just plant the native, which is native to our country. But look, I think we will be able to have a little. This in original life is so big, but it only get that big, and then sometimes, most of the time, they just drop down and got rotten. But I have few here. I hope it will be, we're able to, look, I love pepper. But in my sweet potato tops, sweet potato is a very nutritious root crop, guys. I know you have sweet potato over there, but us here, we use the top, so sweet potato tops, as vegetable. So I will harvest some later. And it's growing nice. I have some hot chili seeds over here. I hope it will grow. Are you going to get the saw? Okay. And if I will get the saw. And as you all know, this is just mostly like update, more update, guys. Oh, look. It fell. I think this will be the last pineapple that we are going to eat this year. And my brother have harvested all the buds. Me actually, and then I let my brother plant them. So hopefully we will have more and more pineapples in the future. I love avocado, guys. My favorite, one of my favorite fruit. And I have some durians, dragon fruit over there. The very hot rooftop. So, next job would be, God, I have a lot of things to do, but like I said, I think it can wait. The Madre de Agua, all of these are plantation of Madre de Agua, guys. They are very, very important for my pigs, and most of them are needs to be trimmed. There are already lots of people asking for cuttings from them because they wanted to plant as well. I said I don't have time to do it, so I just have to inform them if I'm ready. So I still have a lot of areas where I will plant the pineapples, but I found this area very good and suitable because it's exposed to the heat. Look, but the brother is not done yet. Look, oh my God, it's dying now. He still have a lot of pineapple buds to plant, but he is very occupied. He planted some here too. So I guess I'm gonna move this one to the cooler area. They are alive now. And another area of Madre de Agua. Actually, I love just planting Madre de Agua everywhere. It's very useful. So we're gonna start to trim the bougainvillea now. See how I tie the bougainvillea to the cotton fruit tree, guys. So you have to cut most of it. I think it will be easier if you will be here, Han. Here.
So cut this off?
Because everything will fall on you, so you have to be here.
Well, the rope's in the way.
Huh? Oh, okay. Sige.
Cut it here?
Yeah. Careful. So anyway, we're not gonna show you the entire cutting, guys. We will show you later when it's done. Oh, before this is my avocado here. It's doing nice. It has a lot of branches. So the way how I let them grow more branches is I keep cutting all this one, guys, and then they grow more branches. This cotton fruit tree gives shade to our house there, so it's good. Hold on, I'm gonna help Honey Pie. So I have to pull the ones that already cut, guys. But we have to be very careful. This is very high. It's hard because it's
all tangled up.
yeah. So I think we have to untie. Hold on. Look, we actually hurt the tree, guys. The rope that I tied here. Oh, see?
Boom.
Holy shit. It drops. Oh, sige. It's easier now. Maybe we need to pull that one.
Hmm?
Just because I also tie the
Put it up in there. Careful.
get the camera, huh?
Hmm?
To handle this one. It wasn't enough. Bougainvillea is very beautiful, but it's very vicious as well. So be very careful. Look, let's try this one. Because they are all together.
Mm-hmm. Well, I'll have to cut it more, I guess.
I think you just have to cut everything.
Yeah.
And then
Here,
they will just grow.
here's the camera. I'll cut it.
You have a blood, guys.
What, you're gonna cut the entire thing down?
Yeah, just cut it. I don't think,
Well, we won't be able to pull that out.
huh?
We won't be able to pull that out. It'll be too heavy.
We will pull them when they died. We will pull them when they died, the leaves and most of the stuff. Sige daw, try. They snag on each other. Look. Oh. Careful. It's snag over there. Oh, Han, look. The branch over there. So you may have to pull this one. The bigger one.
Hmm? They're all intertwined.
Yeah, it's not. So just keep cutting. Cut everything on the base. We'll just kill it. Everything.
You want to kill it all?
Oh, all of it. It will grow. I mean, it will grow still here. But that one is difficult. You cannot, there's no way we can take it out. Now we just block our pathway. Can't even go to the house anymore. But guess what, guys? I'll show you. Here is we have a very nice breeze. So the bougainvillea gives a good shade in front of the house. Actually, it's not a good thing because it's a very vicious thing. So I just decided to just cut all of it. I was thinking just cut some, but it's hard. It's hard to get them away. So it's we'll see. So unfortunately, we have to get this done, guys, because we cannot go in there. It's now blocking our entrance over there. So I asked my brother to come over. Wow, I just noticed it. It was a good breeze over here. You can't even get in the entrance. It's black, so I call Brother Noel. We have to get this done. We have to pull it. Can you get in? Don't go inside yet. Come here because we have to help Brother Noel pull this one. We have to pull it. 3 of us will pull. And here you go around the house. Or better in the pathway. The public pathway. Dili mabira lagi. Kaya nangasangit man maong imong putol-putulon. Gani. Sulot ring gloves. Oh. Lami ba yan nagsugnod? Ipadry la na din ha. So, Brother Noel on the rescue. Na, di pod mabira lagi kay nangasangit naman, nagsangit-sangit na sila. Ito among plano niya kay di man daay mabira. So he will just cut it little by little. On the rescue. So his bite, guys, is getting, he finally get healed. So, lami nagsugnod. So, I'm not gonna show you the entire video, guys. I'm just gonna show you when we're done, because it's gonna be long.
All tangled up.
Oh, yeah. Get away, yan. That machete is very sharp. I will help him pull.
No, don't you be pulling.
Oh. Sangit, putulon. Putulala. Sangit lagi na sila. They are hugging each other, guys. They are like tangled with each other because of the thorns. Stuff, look at that. It's so difficult. I don't understand why I let it grow.
Kind of grew together.
They grew together, yeah. I love it because it has a beautiful flower, but you know. Elsa, you're on the way. Get away, Elsa. Come here. He will not get away until she get hurt. She will not get away.
That thing works quicker than the saw.
Yeah. All the leaves are done. Okay, guys, our mission for today is done. Thanks to Brother Noel. So we finally just decided to cut the bougainvillea all the way. And that's the view of the house. The front view, actually. Oh, it's now. I forgot Brother Noel to trim this one as well. And look what I have here. I have a hammock. It's a very good. I'll show you guys. Of course, I need to show you when I'm there laying down. Let's see. Oh my God, this is very good. This is very good, guys. I love it. So that's our video for today. I'm gonna do the cleaning, the final cleaning later. For now, I think it's pig's time. So nice, isn't it nice? Oh, you can see you have the entire view of the house now. Okay, we're done for today. All the plants are put back in here. And that's the view now. Very wide and open view. Ta-da! Oh my God, I can feel the breeze from here. So unfortunately, that bougainvillea there that grows too big was blocking the breeze, I can say. Because now it's more breezy. I'm serious, guys. So, bye everyone.